Welcome back, Michael. Oh, is that for me?
After hours, step by
Hope you had a good run.
streetlight glow, easy breath.
Whoa, check out this mud. Fabric and soil level check completed. I'll wash it and dry it clean to match this fabric.
A balanced diet keeps you healthy. A chicken poke? Good.
No
Bixby,
hands,
open the
no
fridge door.
calls, shadows stretch along the walls. Slow move, feel it slide. City got that late night vibe. Hold it, feel the power.
Running was worth it.
Stay inside it.
I'll quickly cool down this stuffy room for you.
After hours,
Switching to silent wind-free mode so it won't disturb your shoot. Oh, we can edit that out.
Enabling better living. Bespoke AI.